So everyone's heard of the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower actually, in many ways, did propel the advancement of engineering. Before the Eiffel Tower, there were limits on what we thought was possible. After the Eiffel Tower, lots of other buildings, lots of other similar structures started to be built. Well, the Eiffel Tower had to begin with plans. Before you could build a tower, you had to have plans done and engineering done, but the plans could not be drawn up before they were a thought, just a little inkling, just a twinkle in the eye of Gustav Eiffel, who was responsible for the Eiffel Tower. Scientists who focus on neurology estimate that we have about 48 mental events per minute. That's a little bit slower than 1 per second. That means a new potential mental event is happening a little bit more slowly than once a second.
Inkling, Inkling, Inkling.